Good afternoon, my name is Robert Stanley, and this is my week 1 assignment for Introduction to Ballistics and Ammunition. I will be going over the 4 steps of ballistics. I will simply explain my definition and the definition of sectional density, and then I will also be going over some of the features that shotgun slugs utilize to achieve a stabilizing spin. So first we're going to start off with the 4 steps of ballistics. You got your 4 steps of ballistics, which are internal, transitional, external, and terminal. Internal ballistics, it's everything that is internal to the round. So from the inside the casing, packed in from the projectile. Couple things that could affect it is your powder. You could have the wrong powder. You could have too much powder. You could have not enough powder. Too much powder will affect the flight of the bullet, meaning that once it has been shot, the round can start tumbling. Too much powder, or not enough powder. Not enough powder. Bullet won't fly nearly as far. And that goes with too much powder too. It could fly farther. So powder is one of the things that could affect a round internally. Transitional is just what happens in between the internal and external portions of ballistics. So basically it's what the projectile does from the time that it leaves the muzzle until the pressure is equalized. That's really all transitional is. It's kind of an in-between factor. External is what the flight of the bullet after it leaves the muzzle. So whether it goes up, it goes down, it goes left, it goes right, how far it goes, how short it goes. That's the external portion of it. There's a few things that can affect that. Wind, rain, humidity. That's some of your effects on the external portion of it. Terminal is what happens after your projectile has made impact with a piece of paper, piece of wood, an animal if you're hunting. Some rounds mushroom, some rounds shatter. It all depends on what happens to that projectile. Shockwaves, laceration or crushing. That's part of what happens, or that's what damages, is what can damage your round in the terminal stage. Move on. Next thing I'm going to talk about is sectional density. Sectional density, simply explained, is the bullet's weight divided by the diameter of the bullet squared. So if the bullet weighs, let's say, a half a pound, this is a really large bullet if it weighs a half a pound. And then you take the diameter of the bullet, we'll say it is 0.201. You would take the weight of the bullet, which is that, and then you divide it by 0.201 and squared, so it would be 0.402. That is sectional density as simply as I can explain it. It's hard to explain certain things without seeing it on paper. It's just how things go. It's hard to explain for me. I'm sorry. We're going to move into the features of shotgun slugs, what some features of shotgun slugs utilize to get a stabilizing spin. Some shotgun slugs are smooth. In order to get a nice stabilizing spin on that, is to have a rifled barrel. Rifled barrels are just like your rifles. All rifles have a rifled barrel because they shoot a smooth round. that allows the projectile to start spinning as it is moving through the barrel itself. If you have a smooth barrel, the next shotgun slug, some shotgun slugs have are rifled themselves. I say that they're rifled because they have a swirled groove on the slug to allow it to spin through a smooth barrel and grab its stabilizing spin as it is moving through the barrel. Honestly, that's all I can think of at this time. If I think of anything else, I will add a later video. Thank you for your time, and hope you have a great day.